Ever typed numbers in Excel? Then used some formulas to add them, and got 0 or nothing at all. Annoying, right? Don't worry, I'll show you why Excel ignores your numbers and how to fix it in seconds. Welcome to Easy Click Learning, your go-to for smart, simple Excel tips. Let's jump in. Let's walk through a quick example, and a common Excel mistake you'll want to avoid. In cells A2 to A4, I've entered some values, 10, 20, and 30. Now in cell A5, type =, sum. Select the range and close the formula. Looks good, right? But when I press enter, instead of 60, Excel shows 0, or sometimes nothing at all. What's going on here? This usually means that Excel isn't recognizing your numbers as real numbers. They might be text formatted, even if they look like numbers. Let's fix it step by step. First, select your range. Change the format to number. Always make sure Excel sees numbers as numbers, or your formulas won't work the way you expect. Still not working? Let's convert those text values properly. In a new column, use the value function. Type =value. Select the cell and close the formula. This tells Excel, hey, this is a number. Now, press enter. Drag it down. Your sum formula will now work perfectly. There is also another way to fix it. Select the range. Go to the Data tab. Click on Text to Column. Now choose Delimited. Finally, click the Finish button. And done. How can you tell if a number is text? Look for these signs, a small green triangle in the corner of the cell. Numbers aligned to the left instead of right. Or the value showing up with an apostrophe like this. Remember, if formulas aren't working, always check if Excel sees your values as numbers, not text. Want more smart Excel fixes like this? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more easy click learning. Thanks for watching.